In this video we're going to look at a list of words from the spelling bee list that have large consonant clusters common in the German words. The first word is angst, the only word on the list with a consonant cluster of ngst. Angst comes from the same Latin root as anguish, anxious, and anxiety. It means the fear and anguish one feels in a seemingly impossible situation, along with the hope that things will be better someday. There are very many words in German that contain the consonant cluster sch, which sounds just like the sh in English. Schnauzer and Schnecke have the schn cluster. Schnauzer is a breed of dog that we talked about before. Schnecke is a snail, but it also means a cinnamon bun rolled up to look like the snail shell. You can see that it kind of has that shape. The pronouncer should sound out the E at the end of the word. It should not be a silent E. It should be Schnecke. Schloss and Anschluss contain the consonant cluster SCHL. Schloss is a royal palace or castle. I actually had a chance to visit a Schloss in Dusseldorf, Germany. It's a pink palace that a prince once lived in. Anschluss is the combination of two countries to form one country. This actually happened in Germany not too long ago, when West Germany and East Germany united to form one country called Germany. Schadenfreude is a favorite word of a lot of people because it's very strange. It has a strange pronunciation and a strange meaning. It means the wicked pleasure someone gets when a disliked person suffers misfortune. You're happy when somebody else does badly. For example, if you don't like someone who is always bragging about what a good basketball player he is, you might be happy to see that person lose a game badly. That would be Schadenfreude. Schottisch is a word that has the consonant cluster in it twice. Schottisch is a folk dance of 4 beats, 3 steps and 1 kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. This word does not have the sounded out E at the end. It's a silent E. It's Schottisch, not Schottische. Realschule is a compound word. The first part of the word real means real, the same way that we understand the word real or practical in English. Schule at the second word means school. So a Realschule is a place where you do not get ready for a college education, but instead you learn how to do a real practical job. Kitsch has the TSCH consonant cluster. Kitsch are things you use to decorate that are cheap and a little bit tacky. For example, even though it's cheap and a little tacky, there are a lot of people who like to have a bowl of plastic fruit decorating their table. I like to collect snow globes from different places I visit on vacation. They're cheap, they're tacky, but they are my kitsch. Next we have 3 words on the list that have the CHT consonant cluster. This combination kind of forces even American speakers to use the German pronunciation of CH, which sounds like you're trying to get rid of peanut butter that's stuck on the roof of your mouth. That's a sound we don't normally make in English. The first word is echt, which means true, genuine, the real thing. For example, an echt Chicagoan would never put ketchup on a hot dog. The next is Nachtmusik or Nachtmusik. Nacht means night. Musik or Musik is how you say music in German. So Nachtmusik is night music. Then we have another strange word, Weisnichtwo. I've never heard an English speaker use that word. It comes from literature where the author described an imaginary city, but no one knows where it is. Weiss means knowledge or wisdom. Nicht means not. So Weisnicht means you don't know. Wo is where. Altogether, the name of the city means know not where. How could you use this word? If someone asks you where you're going and you don't want to tell them, you can say something like, I'm going to Weisnichtwo. Next, we have two words with the CH consonant cluster. In German, the CH would make that funny sound. I think these two words have been Americanized so that you can expect the pronouncer to say Kuchen instead of Kuchen. You can expect the pronouncer to say Dachshund instead of Dachshund. Now that could make it a little tricky because you might be tempted to spell it with the letter K or maybe even a CK. But you'll know better because you'll have these words memorized for the correct spelling. If you forget and you're not sure, ask the speaker if there are any alternative pronunciations. He should tell you the German pronunciation, and then you'll know. This, by the way, is a Dachshund or Dachshund. The last word on the list has the PF consonant cluster. We never use that in English. There are a few words in German that have that cluster. Pfeffernuss is a compound word. Combines the word Pfeffer, which means pepper, along with Nuss, which means nut. So Pfeffernuss is a Christmas cookie made out of pepper and ground up almonds. It's hot and spicy, and I only know of it being served at Christmas time. Those are the consonant clusters in German. Hope that helps you to spell them.